So this is my lecture 7 and I will be starting with the definition. This definition is very important because I will be proving propositions, theorems you can say. So this definition is very important in those propositions, so you'll have to know this very well, okay? Matrices of M2n of R in the image of rho n are called complex linear real matrices. That is, B belonging to M2n of R is complex linear if and only if B is equal to rho n of A for some A belonging to Mn of C. Okay, so when I say that B belonging to M2n of R is complex linear, if and only if this happens, B is equal to rho n of A for some A belonging to complex. When if and only if statement is there, then it is converse. So like using this I have to prove this, and then taking this I have to prove this. Okay, next is my proposition. B belonging to M2n R is complex linear if and only if the function Fn inverse into Rb into Fn, where Cn tends to Cn, is a complex linear transformation. So using saying that B belonging to M2n of R, taking this complex linear, taking this part, you have to prove this, and converse part it is, right, if and only if statement is there, and then taking this you have to prove that B is a complex linear. Okay, now here the proof starts. Okay, you have to consider the diagram. Now here I have drawn my commutative diagram. So suppose that Fn inverse, this is my Fn inverse into Rb into Fn is linear. Okay, if this is linear, this into this is linear, then there exists A belonging to Mn of C. I have used a definition, okay, such that Fn inverse into Rb into Fn is equal to Ra. So Fn inverse into Rb into Fn is equal to Ra. In that case, the above diagram commutes. So in this case, what will happen? The above diagram will commute, okay? And B is equal to rho n of A. If B is equal to rho n of A, then I can say that my B is a complex linear. Next, I have to prove my converse part. So I have to prove my converse part. If B is complex linear, then Fn inverse into Rb into Fn is equal to Ra for some A belonging to Mn of C. Okay, so since Ra is complex linear, C linear, therefore I can say Fn inverse into Rb into Fn is C linear. Okay, so here I will end up with my proposition I have proved. Next is my remark, which all have to know. Now this remark you all can write it down. Okay, the function f is equal to f inverse into Rb into Fn is always R linear. This is because Cn can be regarded as vector space over R. It is C linear if and only if f into Ix is equal to I into Fx for all x belonging to Cn, so that the complex linear real matrices are the ones that commutes with I. That is f into I is equal to I into f. You all can write down this remark. So here I am done with my lecture 7, and soon I will be uploading my lecture 8.